Hello students, welcome back to class 2nd. This is our online class of English. In last video we have read lesson number 4, first paragraph and second paragraph. In this video we will read third and fourth paragraph of this lesson. Okay, now start the reading. ONE 1 DAY day DRONACHARYA Dronacharya TOOK took THE the PRINCES princess TO2 ANOTHER another PART part OF of THE the FOREST forest. One day Dronacharya took the princess to another part of the forest. He WANTD wanted TO2 GIVEQ THEM them ALESSON lesson IN ARCHERY archery. He wanted to give them a lesson in archery. DRONACHARYA Dronacharya SHOWED showed THE the PRINCES princess ACLAY clay BIRD bird THAT that HE HAD had PUT put UP up on a tree. Dronacharya showed the princess a clay bird that he had put up on a tree. THEN then HEPOINTD pointed TO2 THE the BIRD bird AND SAID said I WANT want YOU TO2 PIERCE pierce THE the EYE I OF of THIS this BIRD bird. Then he pointed to the bird and said I want you to pierce the eye of this bird. ALL all THE the PRINCES princess PULLED pulled OUT out THEIR there ARROWS arrows THEY they HELD held THE the BOWS bows IN THEIR their HANDS hands. All the princes pulled out their arrows. They held the bow in their hands. DRONACHARYA Dronacharya ASKD asked YUDHISHTHIRA Yudhishthira THE the ELDEST eldest PRINCE prince TELL tell ME me WHAT what ALL all DO do YOU SEEC. Dronacharya asked Yudhishthira the eldest prince, tell me what all do you see? I SEEC THE the FOREST forest THE the TREES trees AND THE the SKY sky SAID said YUDHISHTHIRA Yudhishthira. I see the forest, the trees and the sky, says Yudhishthira. WHAT what, DO do, YOU SEEC what do you see, DRONACHARYA द्रोणाचार्य, ASKD ask, BHIMA Bhima, THE the, SCCOND second, PRINCE prince. What do you see? Dronacharya asked Bhim, the second prince. भीम कौन है? सेकंड प्रिंस. I ALSO also, SEEC, THE the, STREAM stream, SAID said, BHIMA Bhima. I also see the straight said Bhim. THE the, GURU Guru, ASKD asked, THE the, SAME same, TO to, THE the, YOUGEST youngest, PRINCE prince. The Guru asked the same to the youngest prince. I CAN can, SEEC, THE the, SUN son, AND and THE the, CLOUDS clouds, SAID said, THE the, YOUNGEST youngest, PRINCE prince. BUT I can see the sun and the clouds, said the youngest prince. BUT but ARJUNA Arjun, THE the, THIRD third, PRINCE prince, WAS was QUIT quiet, but Arjun the third prince was quiet. WHAT what, DU do, YOUU SEEC ARJUNA Arjun, ASKD asked, THE the, GURU Guru. What do you see? Arjun asked the Guru. ARJUNA Arjun, FOLDD folded, HIS his, HANDS hands, AND and SAID said, YOUU HAVE have, ASKD asked, ME me, TO2 PIERC peers, THE the, BIRDS birds, EYE I. Arjun folded his hands and said, you have asked me to pierce the bird's eye. RIGST right, NOW now, I, CAN can, SEC, NOTHING nothing, BUT but, THE the, EYEI, OF of, THE the, BIRD bird. Right now I can see nothing but the eye of the bird. DRONACHARYA द्रोणाचार्य, SMILED smile, INEAVERY very, HAPPY happy, VOIC voice, HE SAID said, ARJUNA Arjun. Dronacharya smiled. In a very happy voice, he said, Arjun, ONE1 DAY day, YOUU WILL will, BEB THE the, GREATEST greatest, ARCHER archer, OF of, HASTINAPUR Hastinapur. One day you will be the greatest archer of Hastinapur. GREAT great, BECAUS because, YOUU PUT put, YOUR your, HEART heart, IN THE the, WORK work, the THAT that, YOUU do. Great because you put your heart in the work that you do. DRONACHARYA द्रोणाचार्य's, WORDS words, CAME come, TRUE true. Dronacharya, words come true. WHEN, vain. ARJUN, Arjun. GREW, grave. UP, up. NOBODY, nobody. COULD, could. MATCH, match. HIM, him. IN, in. ARCHERY, archery. When Arjun grew up, nobody could match him in archery. THIS, this. STORY, story. GIVS, gives. US, us. MESSAGE, message. This story give us a message. WHEN, EVER, whenever. YOUU, SOMETHING, something. THINK, think. OF, of. NOTHING, nothing. ELSC, else. Whenever you do something, think of nothing else. PUT, put. YOUR, your. HEART, heart. IN, in. WHAT, EVR, whatever. YOUU, ARER, DOING, doing. THIS, this. IS, is. TH, the. SECREAT, secret. OF, of. SUCCES, success. Put your heart in whatever you are doing. This is the secret of success. SUCCESS, success. Okay, now complete our reading. All of you read this paragraph 2 or 3 times at home. Read carefully. Okay, thank you.